everybody, I'm nastymold, and we're gonna be playing more Death Stranding. Hopefully we play a lot of it. We'll see how I feel. Huh.
Sam, a lot of clients are requesting you by name. Now, while there are orders we need you to accept, which are critical to the expansion of the chiral network, there are others that you can take or leave at your discretion. It goes without saying, though,
Pizza
that it's in
delivery.
everyone's best interest for you to do as much as you can. And more work means more rewards.
Pizza delivery. Keep flat. I want to do that.
The autonomous delivery bots are bipedal machines, designed to operate within the chiral network service area. They deliver cargo via a predetermined route dictated by the network.
I'm gonna do pizza delivery real quick, because that sounds fun. Maybe it's not. We'll see. Right. I forgot I got a bike. Retrieve. Okay.
Make sure you carry pizzas properly at all times. If you do something stupid, like turn it on its side, you'll ruin it.
Oh boy. I have too much stuff. Uh-oh. Let's get rid of some of this. Okay, I really probably don't need this much stuff. It's both damaged. Oh. So I don't need this one. Oh. Oh. Pizza. Pizza time. Yes! Bike time!
Sam, if you're gonna build new roads, you need to get to the paver first.
Okay, first I'm delivering the pizza. 30 minutes or less. How am I getting over there? Okay. I'm gonna go across the bridge. And then I'm gonna go to this. And then I'm gonna go to this. And then I'll figure it out from there. Right? That sounds right.
Sam, looks like you're coming up on that auto paver.
No,
Get it going and you'll have yourself a road in no time
not yet.
flat.
First time delivering pizza. Will this cross the river? Probably not. Yay! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No! Hopefully I can get this pizza nice and safe. Ah. Oh my god. Am I actually stuck? No way. Yes!
Scanning bridges ID. Fragile Express ID verified. Weapons detected. All weapons will be locked until departure. Cargo verified. Thank you.
That is a hot, piping hot pizza.
Delivery complete. Displaying performance evaluation. Thank you for your continued support. Good work.
An excellent mission. Alright. Ah, back up.
Weapons restrictions lifted.
Uh-oh. Okay, now we'll build a road, I guess. Or a bridge. I didn't actually read. is this? What is this? I have no idea. Okay. That's fine.
Okay.
Oops. Whatever, yeah. Okay.
Great job, Sam. That road is a sight to behold. This is only the beginning. Creating a
Oh.
Beginning scan. Scanning bridges ID. Verifying welcome to Lake Knot City. Proceed to distribution center. All clear. Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges.
Gotta stretch my legs.
Okay.
We've prepped a prototype bot for transport. Now you'll need to take it to the distro center south of Lake Knot City. If these autonomous delivery bots prove reliable, they could revolutionize our supplies distribution network. A lot's riding on this, so be careful out there.
He's trying to take my job with robots. No. Don't yell at me. It's okay. Horrible. I do need new boots. I don't need bullet gun. Okay. More deliveries.
Order
Ah.
assigned.
Oh wait, actually, there's a long distance bike I should probably use. I have to fabricate one first. Yeah. Cursed robos. Yeah, taking my jobs. I have to damage them on the way.
Begin descent. Have a pleasant journey. Have a pleasant journey. Weapons restrictions lifted.
Anybody home?
I don't know if you heard hammering, but there's hammering. Wait, does this take me like all the way? That's too long, right? That would make no sense. I hope it does. I think it does. I could build a road all the way down here. Oh, they're finally standing. Wow. It's so long now. Ah, they're throwing shit at me. This is such a leisurely drive. Minus the BTs, maybe. Mountain! Whoa! Oh, that's cool. There's like a turnoff you can build. This is an excellent road. Made it past all these guys. I wasn't watching where I was going. I could cross. Maybe. I think I can go along here most of the way. Maybe that's a bad idea. Let's try it. Oh no. Uh-oh. Whee! There it is! Almost a very dangerous river. Tiny rock had a lot of resistance. Yeah, it did. We'll come back to the bike one day. Unless the mules steal it. Woo! Oh, I can double jump. Okay. I was just playing around.
Scanning bridges ID. Verifying ID. Clear. Weapons detected. All weapons will be locked until departure. Decontaminating suit. All clear. Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges.
Thank you. I feel so welcome.
You're Sam Porter then? Been expecting you. We were told you'd help with the vault testing too. But before we get to that, let's see how she's doing.
I was volunteered to help with testing.
Pretty as a picture. Got nothing bad to say.
Perfect. Perfect again, thanks to the bike. The bike is a game changer. Right, Mumbles? Mm-hmm. 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 He's sleepy. A great handler.
These bots aren't designed to operate outside the network service area. So let's get the distro center linked up already.
Yay! linking up everything. Oh, level 2 boots. Lots of guys up ahead.
And there it is. I'll start prepping for the tests. You sit tight and wait for HQ to ring.
Okay.
Much obliged, Sam. Now the bots can enter the final phase of testing. I designed them myself, you know. My hope is that they'll lighten the load a little bit. Unlike human porters, if one goes down, it won't cause a void out. Before the death of Stranding, scientists used to fret over the singularity, the possibility that someone might create an AI smarter than any human. But it never happened. Machines don't cause void outs. They can't die. They don't have leeches. No matter how far they come, machines will never understand death like we do. And because of that, they'll never truly surpass us. Get on the delivery terminal. I'll walk you through how to use the bots. And don't worry, I'll keep an eye on things from over here.
Okay, that's a good point, I guess.
These autonomous delivery bots are designed to process some orders for you. Simple, run-of-the-mill orders only. Take a look at what's available. Cargo transported by a bot is liable to get a little roughed up if the road's poor. On the flip side, a bot traveling on a well-maintained road is more likely to deliver cargo in better shape. Also faster, in case it wasn't obvious. Keep that in mind when sending them out.
Okay. Yeah, I don't ever want to see this old man on a mountain again, so he can do that for me. I like him! He's got little man legs. He hums to himself. He's
Now to wait for the
amazing.
delivery bot to reach its destination.
Do do do
As
do
of today.
do do do.
Then you'll be able to dispatch them yourself. Oh, seems I misspoke. We managed to slap together another delivery bot for field testing. You can decide how to use this one. Sorry, baby's fussing again. Thanks, Sam. We'll talk later.
Good work, Sam. These autonomous delivery bots will benefit everyone, from folks in cities and way stations to preppers out in the back and beyond. But you must be exhausted. Why not take a break? I bet your BB could probably use one too. Head for the private room.
We just took a bike for like 10 minutes. We're good. Do 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 do. That robot has inspired me to enjoy my delivery work more. Not gonna be so grumpy about it. He was so happy to deliver to that old man. Oh. Old man Sam. Old man Sam. Who's in my shower? Wow. Like, can't you just, like, disappear to any shower? Old lady!
Sorry, didn't mean to startle you. You were sleeping when I dropped by. Thanks for the shower.
Right. Look, I gotta ask. I've been hearing things about you.
She's in bed with terrorists. Don't trust her. She's just another dumbass Higgs fucked over. She's a goddamn hero, that woman.
Jeez. Calm down.
Tell me, Sam, what does America mean to you? Way my dad made
USA.
it sound. We were something special. The glue that held it all together. More than a nation. A symbol of freedom and hope. We could bring it all back if we kept on making deliveries and connecting people. He was sure of it. I was a wreck after he died. That's when Higgs made his pitch. Together, we can run packages from sea to shining sea. Back then, he had a monopoly west of here. We both stood to gain a lot from a partnership.
Come here.
Business was pretty good at first. But then, a year ago, when those fanatics started stirring up trouble, fuckers hijacked our system. Somehow, they got a hold of our security passes and used them to sneak into cities. And just like that, we're delivering guns and bombs instead of medicine, and I didn't even know. We were just cogs in a terrorist machine. Higgs was behind it all. And on top of that, he got his hands on an old-school nuke that I ended up carrying right into Middle Knot City.
You telling me that?
Yeah. It was me.
Aw.
I blew it up. Could have been different if I wasn't so fucking blind. So I did everything in my power to stop South Knot City from getting destroyed. I tried to get the nuke out of the city. But Higgs was one step ahead. He took his pound of flesh and then some. Some wounds. They don't heal. Whatever time I've got left, the rain took. So there you have it. Everything's true. Except for all the lies. I don't give a damn about bridges or putting America back together. But I'm not about to let Higgs and some terrorists take my father's legacy and shit all over it.
Stop whistling.
That's why I came to you. So, trust me now?
Yeah, I guess
I'll
so.
be there for you, Sam.
Still weird you took a shower in my room while I was
All you
asleep.
have to do is call.
What did you want? Okay, that's enough. Let's look at BB. I feel like I haven't seen BB in a while.
Tired, huh?
Oh. We'll put on your cool hat. And we'll drink more monsters. Instead of water, which you desperately need. Try to take a shower. No. No. Don't make me look at it.
EX grenade number 0.
Alright, we're gonna drink 2 monsters. We're gonna be on our way. I keep hearing weird banging from upstairs. There we go. That's all we're doing. I don't have the patience for more. Didn't know Monster had an affiliation with Death Stranding. It's the only thing you can drink in this game. That is it. Daddy's got a gun.
Hey Sam, those new sites you've brought into the network have helped us to restore more of our archives. Unfortunately, I still haven't managed to dig up anything about the BB's origins. And I'm completely locked out of BB-28's service record.
Why?
If I could at least access that, I might be able to tell you why you've been experiencing those strange episodes. Well, I'll keep at it. You do the same.
Okay, dead man.
Sam, check the terminal for available orders.
How do I check BB again? It's been a long time since I played this. Yay!
Higgs set Fragile up, huh?
Eavesdropping again.
It's only to
That's-
cuff logs.
That's
And
bullshit.
with the aid of the Cairo network, we were able to restore Middle Nut City's regional
You're so
archives.
sneaky. I don't trust
The
him.
records corroborate her story.
Don't need you to tell me what's true and what ain't. I could hear it in her voice. Son of a bitch fucked her over good.
No reservations about working with her then, I hope.
Good news, Sam. The bot you sent out made it to its destination.
To the old
The
man!
test was a success.
Yes.
Got another one prepped for you to use. Take you with my thanks.
Very happy about that.
One more thing, Sam.
Oh,
A new delivery type has been added to the terminal.
standard orders?
Your hard work's getting noticed. Because of that, there's been some talk of offering a premium service.
Oh.
Now, it might seem like a hassle to willingly take on extra restrictions, but if you succeed, you'll boost your rep even more. So, if someone asks you to deliver within a time limit, you could counter it by setting the limit even lower, thereby earning yourself a better evaluation if successful.
I'm not that
Now, if
cocky.
you're feeling up for a challenge, give it a try.
Maybe I am. We'll see. To a weather station. Oh, I can't wait. I love the robots. I take back whatever I said earlier. They're the best. Ah, mountains, rivers, BTs. It's fragile. Ugh. Okay. I do want level 2 boots. That's all. So I need blood. Why are you yelling? I need grenades. I need... Why won't it? Oh. PCC. Oh. Well, I have like 10 grenades, I'll be fine. Or 15, but actually 13. I probably should get ladders.
Order assigned.
Maybe some PCC just in case. I don't have any vehicles here. That's okay.
Beginning scan. Have a pleasant journey.
Name's Sam.
Sam, you can now submit upgrade requests for structures. If there's one you use a lot...
Okay. What's this? A safe house? Ooh. Okay, maybe I'll head there. Have a little nappy nap. I can fragile jump?
You later, Sam.
That's cheating. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Ah, what am I doing? And then we'll cross, and then we'll go up. Good.
Gotcha.